The equation of a straight line using gradient and a point. Okay, so let's do some examples to understand how do we figure out the equation of a straight line if we have given a gradient and a point. All right, so we have an example that find the equation of a line with number 1, gradient is 2 and passing through the line 0.49. Okay, I'm gonna do the first part. Okay, so we have given the gradient means the m value is 2. So we have a straight line y is equals to mx plus c. So here y is equals to 2x plus c, right? Now the line passes through the point 4, 9. So it passes through a point having the coordinates 4 and 9. So the x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 9. Okay, so now let me plug the point xy, which is 4 and 9, and solving for c, right? Okay, so y is 9 equals to 2 times x is 4 plus c. 9 is equals to 2 times 4 is 8 plus c. So we have 9 and shift the 8 on the other side, minus 8. This is the c. So 1 is your c value, right? So we got the c, which is equals to 1, right? Now we have the equation of a straight line. In this case is y is equals to 2x plus 1. We got the equation of a straight line. M is the 2 which is given to us. So just use the point and solve for c. That's it. Because gradient is already given to us, so no need to worry about the gradient. So you have the gradient. You can just plug the gradient into your equation of a straight line and plug the point to get the c value. Okay. Now the b part I'm going to assign you as a practice. You can practice this part B. I'm going to do part C because you can see the gradient is in fraction, because maybe the student get confused. So that is why I'm selecting this part C. Okay. So the gradient again is m, which is negative 2 by 3. It is given to us and it passes through the point which is minus 4 and 3. Okay. Now the equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to minus 2 by 3 x plus c. So I just plug the m value, which is negative 2 by 3, right? Okay. Now to solve for c, we use the point. So the x coordinate is minus 4, the y coordinate is 3. So the y value is 3 minus 2 by 3. The x value is negative 4 and plus c. 3 is equals to negative times negative gives you positive. 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 plus c. To solve for c, shift this term on the other side. So 3 minus 8 over 3 is equals to c, right? Now to solve for c, again we can say 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 divided by 3, which is equals to 1 by 3. This is my c value. Now after getting the c value, we can plug the c value over here and you will get the equation of a straight line. Y is equals to minus 2 by 3x and plus 1 by 3, because the c value is 1 by 3. So this is the equation of a straight line in your part C, right? So this is really simple. If you have given the gradient, no need to worry about the gradient, just name it as m and use the points to get the c value. And after getting the c value, and you have the gradient as well, so just write down the equation of a straight line y equals to mx plus c, right? I hope this is clear now, because I did the 2 parts. Now the second part is for your practice. You have to practice the second part and send me your final answer, the final equation of a straight line, in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.